Hello lovelies, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon my lovelies, how you all doing? So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make this my healthy ginger drink. So what I will do first is that I will peel the skin of my ginger like so. I'll peel everything clean and fine. I want to prepare a fine and healthy ginger drink. So I'll dice my ginger into tiny portion like this, tiny sizes like this, which I'm going to blend with my blender. The spoon is making my work to be slow. I am using my knife now. So I'm done with the peeling and the cutting. Can you see my ginger? My ginger is so fine. So the next step is to blend with my blender. So this is my scent leaf. I'll add some to the diced ginger. So I'll add some water. So lovely, so I just added my lemongrass. This is orange lovelies. I want to squeeze into the sieve ginger, lemongrass and mint leaf. Yeah, I'm using this one too. My lime, I'm using one lime. The ginger is very, very potent, so that's why I'm squeezing my orange into the ginger mixture. So I'm going with my lemon. My ginger drink is ready. Very delicious and yummy. Lovely. You need to try this at home. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.